This week we've just kicked off a really cool project here in Grange, right beside Ballincollig. It's a semi-detached bungalow that we're going to bring back to life. The big thing that this home had going for it is we had space. The original house had 700 square feet, and the first big change started in bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. We've now converted these rooms into a master bedroom, walk-in wardrobe, and a beautiful ensuite with a bath and a shower. Living room and kitchen have now been reshaped. We're removing that chimney, and that will give us a new design for a really cozy den. To the front of the house, where the kitchen used to be, that's now going to be an additional bedroom. With a full remodel to the bedroom, to the front of the house and the main bathroom, will make these rooms tie perfectly in with our new design. We've now used all the original floor space, but we've got no kitchen, no dining, no living, and what about a utility room? But don't worry, we've built on a 40 square meter extension to the side of this home. This now will become the heart of your new home, and it's the new and the old being combined into one. That'll make this the perfect home. Our new kitchen design starts right here at this wall. In the center, we've got our island, but the real magic starts overhead. We've got these tall vaulted ceilings and large glazing that captures that big inviting garden. Here we get to see the original house, and the big extension wraps around, saying to the old, I'll take it from here. In this den, our interior design team have come up with a beautiful TV surround. Underneath, we've got that solid stone effect by this beautiful warm fire. We've got shelving right, shelving left with LEDs, and it's all these combined make it really cozy. In here is where we've got one of our bedrooms. This is the official front door that welcomes you into this home, and right in the center, this is where we've got our main bathroom. This brings us into our master bedroom, and to my right is where we've got our ensuite, and I really do love the interior design. Our floors, we've gone for a white tile. On the walls, we've gone for white, and in the back of the shower, we've got this beautiful industrial tile. Sigma Homes have qualified this house for the retrofit grant. And this project, just like all our other projects, will shock the world with a handover of the 31st of May. Stay tuned.